Hi, I'm Andrea, and today I'm going to show you what comes with your Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker. When you first open the box, you'll notice the instruction manual. Make sure to read it thoroughly to ensure proper use of your Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker. Please note that the unit must be primed prior to first use, and the instruction manual shows you exactly how to do this. You'll also notice the Quick Start Guide. This guide will help you through setup quickly. Flip over the Quick Start Guide and you'll find a helpful recipe guide with 20 delicious, easy-to-make coffee house drinks. Next, completely remove the unit from the box and place upright on a hard, flat surface. Proceed to remove all packaging material and stickers from the unit. Also be sure to remove the red plug from the base of the water reservoir. The red plug can either be found on the bottom of the water reservoir or on the unit itself where the water reservoir sits. To learn more about these parts or your new espresso maker, please refer to the Quick Start Guide or instruction manual.
EspressoWorks, the all-in-one espresso maker. Equipped with the advanced thermoblock heating system, is ready for use in 45 seconds or less. Fill up the front view water tank. Grind your favorite beans to a fine grind using the easy-to-use plug-in electric bean grinder. Select the single shot or double shot filter basket and guide it into the stainless steel portafilter. Using the tamper measuring spoon, fill the filter basket with espresso grinds. Tamp the grinds firmly. Lock the portafilter into the machine and place 1 or 2 of the ceramic cups under the filter holder. Press the on and off button. After a few seconds, the green light will illuminate, indicating the machine is ready for brewing or steaming. Turn the dial to espresso position and your espresso shot will begin to extract. When finished, simply turn the dial back to the middle off setting. EspressoWorks All-in-One set comes with a powerful, easy-to-use built-in steam wand to heat and froth milk to create a delicious latte or cappuccino. The all-in-one espresso and cappuccino maker, brought to you by EspressoWorks.